No, you can't blow it while you're dipping it. Here. Take your finger off the button. Here. Dip it. Now do it. Bubbles! Toby, really? Mickey? What? Who's on your shirt, Jake? Mickey? Good job. Oh, careful. Bubbles! Watch Toby eat them. Oh, that's a big one. My toe. Careful. I think you gotta dip it again. No bubbles. There it goes. Get down, Toby. Dog. Bubbles. Oh, Toby, watch out. Spaz. Bubbles. Oh, try it again. Here you go. No, no bubble, no bubble. There you go. Bubble. You have bubble on your head, Toby. Oh, try it again. Don't push the button. Okay. What do you say? Excuse me? Hey, Jake. Can you say hi? Hi. Hi. What? Huh? No, not yours. It's mine. Toby. Toby. Where is he? He's probably doing something he's not supposed to. Hey, can you say bye? Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? My feet are sticking to the floor. There's too many bubbles. Ew, Jake, don't eat it. Yuck. Ew, yucky. Can you say bye-bye? Yeah, yucky. Yeah, gross.